Once upon a time, in a beautiful place called Hawaii, a baby boy was born on August 4th, 1961. His name was Barack Hussein Obama II, named after his father, Barack Obama Sr., who hailed from Kenya, Africa. Barack's mother, in Dunham, was from Kansas, USA. Raised amidst diversity, Barack learned from both his black father and white mother, shaping a unique path ahead. As a child, Barack's parents separated, and his father moved back to Kenya. Though he rarely saw his father, he grew up with stories about his intelligence and dreams for a better world. At 6, Barack moved to Jakarta, Indonesia with his mother and stepfather, Lolo Sitoro. As he adapted to his new surroundings, he learned Bahasa Indonesia and witnessed life in a developing nation, seeing children working on the streets and families in need. These experiences opened his eyes to the inequalities faced by many. At 10, Barack returned to Hawaii to live with his grandparents, attending the prestigious Punahou School as one of the few students with brown skin. Feeling out of place at times, his grandparents and mother urged him to strive for greatness. Barack developed a love for books, drawing inspiration from leaders like Lincoln, Gandhi, and King, who fueled his dreams. Continuing his education, Barack attended Occidental College in Los Angeles before transferring to Columbia University. It was there that he began reflecting on his identity and purpose, realizing his desire to help others and fight for equality. After graduating, he moved to Chicago to work as a community organizer, assisting families in struggling neighborhoods. Despite challenges and skepticism, Barack remained steadfast, believing in the power of collective action. With aspirations of bringing greater change, Barack attended Harvard Law School, becoming the first black president of the Harvard Law Review. Returning to Chicago, he worked in civil rights law rather than opting for high-paying corporate jobs. In Chicago, he met and married Michelle Robinson, a fellow lawyer who shared his passion for social justice. In 1996, Barack was elected to the Illinois State Senate, passing policies for better education, healthcare, and employment. By 2004, his profound speech on unity at the Democratic National Convention propelled him into the national spotlight. In 2008, Barack ran for president with the message, "Yes, we can," inspiring nationwide support. On November 4th, 2008, Barack Obama was elected the 44th and first African-American president of the United States. During his presidency, he tackled economic recovery efforts and enacted the Affordable Care Act, extending health care coverage to millions, and focused on peace and diplomacy, earning the Nobel Peace Prize in 2009. After serving 2 terms, Barack continued his mission through the Obama Foundation, empowering young leaders globally. His legacy is encapsulated in vital lessons: believing in oneself, working for change, maintaining hope, and helping others. Barack Obama's journey from Hawaii to the White House embodies a tale of hope, resilience, and compassion.